How to make money on YouTube with a small channel. If you saw this recent video, you'll know we launched a new YouTube channel. There's tons of opportunities on YouTube. You can make money even with a small channel, and that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So this channel that you're watching right now has around 14,000 subscribers. Our new channel has around 100 subscribers, a few thousand views, and I think 13 or 14 videos that we've published so far. And we've already made a little bit of money from that channel. So what I'm going to talk about today is as your channel grows, all the different ways you can make money from it. So the first way we're going to talk about is the YouTube Partner Program or Google Adsense. So what this is essentially the ads that are on your videos, YouTube sharing a cut of what they're earning from it. So generally the split is 55 for the creator and 45 for Google. But what you need to monetize your channel is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So for our new channel, our goal is to be monetizing the channel by the end of 2021. I can tell you for the Fig Code that has around 14,000 subscribers right now, we're earning around $3,000 a month. So take someone like Graham Stephan. He's earning over $1 million just from the ads on his YouTube videos. But to get to that level, you need to have millions of views on your videos. So the rest of the video will be focused on things that don't require you to have a certain number of subscribers, views, or anything else, and you can start making money from your content. So the second way to make money with your channel is by selling merchandise or some other physical product. So physical product, non-merchandise, if you have an existing company that could work, you could promote your products there. But the merchandise angle is really, really easy. Anyone can get started. And how it works essentially is you could use something like Printful or Teespring, where you essentially come up with the designs you would want on, say, a t-shirt, hoodie, backpack, stickers, all sorts of things like that. And then the company takes care of all the rest. You kind of upload the designs and you say, I want this design available on red, black, and gray hoodies in these sizes. And so when someone comes to the store, makes a purchase, the other company takes care of 100% of the shipping it or creating the product and putting your logo or whatever it is on a medium hoodie, shipping it to them. If there's any returns, they take care of all of it, and you make a little bit of money from each sale. So it might be that you're drinking from the same coffee mug in all of your videos, and that's something that someone could go on and make a purchase of. So it's something where you can just create the products, you can talk about it in your videos or have it in the description, and here and there make some sales. And it's something that just requires no other work from you. You got it set up once and the sales come in for your merchandise. You don't have a whole closet full of medium gray hoodies or something like that. The third way to make money from your channel is through sponsored videos. So you might think of huge channels like Mr. Beast doing sponsored videos, getting paid hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars. But what if you have a very niche audience that's just really hard to reach other places? But if the company knows that, hey, my ideal audience is watching your videos, they're going to want to sponsor one of your videos. So sponsorships can start out as just kind of in-kind products. So they give you the product, you create a review, and you get to keep the product for free. As you grow your channel, you'll start to make money from it. Maybe it's $100 or a couple $100. And then larger channels obviously could earn hundreds of thousands of dollars for a sponsored video. But this is something that takes a little bit of work, especially with a small channel. As your channel grows, brands will reach out to you directly wanting to sponsor your content. But as you're just getting started, you may have to go out and find, hey, my content is about this. Here's a company that would really want to get in front of my audience. Find someone on their marketing team or maybe one of their founders or something like that on LinkedIn. Send them a message telling them what it is that you do and the type of content you want to create that they would sponsor. If the legwork required to do a sponsored video seems like a little bit much for you to have to contact the brand, negotiate a deal, create the content, send it to them to get approved, then publish the video, there's a better way, which is affiliate marketing. So for our small new YouTube channel has already made a little bit of money from affiliate marketing. So essentially any of the products or services in your niche, just go into Google and write X brand affiliate program and then see if something comes up. If they have an affiliate program, sign up for it, and you can start to promote the product or service in your video. So essentially how this works is you talk about a particular product or service and say, hey, if you want to sign up, there's a link down below in the description. Also, if any of the products or services that your audience might be interested in are sold on Amazon, you can also be an affiliate for Amazon. So how this works is you essentially sign up for the program and then put the links down below in the description. Anything the person buys within 24 hours of clicking your link, you would get a commission for. So it doesn't have to be the product that you have the link for down below in the description. If they use your link and make a purchase and purchase a bunch of other things that are completely unrelated to what you're promoting, you still get a commission for that. So affiliate marketing is probably one of the easiest ways for small channels. You don't have to reach out to brands. You just have to figure out on Google, hey, do they have a program or not? Go and apply to it and create content promoting that product or service. The next way to make money through your YouTube content is our primary way for making money, which is through digital products. So for us, it's usually online courses. It could be a membership program, some type of app that hosts all of your training that you have if you're a yoga instructor or some type of fitness instructor, let's say. The best thing about digital products is you create something once. There may be some updates here and there, but in general, you create something and then you could sell 10 or 10,000 of them, and there's no additional cost or work for you. So you set up a platform to sell courses. You can mention it in your videos. Hey, by the way, if you want to go deeper on this, there's a link in the description to the course that goes through all of this in 1,000 times more detail. And so that way, every day your video is getting views and you're mentioning your course, selling your course. And the thing is, you created it once and then you can just sell it as many as you want. And then just here and there, maybe you have to make an update to it. Definitely digital products are one of our favorite ways to make money. You don't have to be the world-class expert in whatever it is to potentially create, say, an online course. People like learning from someone that is just a couple of steps ahead. So for example, if you want to help young students learn 4th grade math, you really have to know 4th grade math and 5th grade math to be able to teach them mathematics. You don't have to be Albert Einstein and doing all these crazy equations. The next way to make money is through coaching and other services. So imagine we want to do coaching for growing your YouTube channel. We could do group coaching where we have a call once a week and there's a dozen people and we kind of go around the Zoom call. Everyone gets a chance to kind of talk about what's going on with their channel, what questions they have, what concerns they have. I could say give feedback. The other kind of people on the call could give feedback to each other as well. Or it could be one-on-one. So something more personalized and probably more expensive for the person being coached. But depending on the type of service offering you want to have, it could be group or individual. Or this could work for, say, a real estate agent, a nutritionist, any other type of service where you could create content. Someone could either sign up for a lead magnet and be on your email list, or you could put a link to your Calendly where they could sign up, pick a time to get on your calendar. Maybe you have a one-on-one free intro call and then see if someone wants something further from there. But there are tons of ways, no matter the size of your YouTube channel. Honestly, if you have a handful of videos up on your channel, really showing your expertise, you can figure out ways to make money from it. So if you want to learn more about how to grow your YouTube channel, we have a bunch of videos to help you with that. I'll link to the playlist right here. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye-bye.